This is the finished product of desiccated coconut macarons. Ayan. Let's check for the third time. I'm sure this is already cooked. Oh, ayan, mashallah. Ang ganda ng pagkaluto, pagka-bake. Assalamualaikum everyone. Alhamdulillah for another day. Today I'm going again to make another recipe. So these are all the ingredients. Cooking oil, half cup of cooking oil, 2 cups of desiccated coconut, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 whole eggs, large, and I will put also some syrup of vanilla, and 1/3 cup of brown sugar. But I don't have brown sugar, so I just this kind. We call it here in Pakistan gur. In Ilocano, we call it this tagapulot. So first, I have to mix all ingredients here. Desiccated coconut, all-purpose flour, and salt, baking powder. Now we have to mix this one. Mix it well. And then in another container, now I have 2 whole eggs here. Then we put this cooking oil. I will not put all this one. And this brown sugar. I grind it this one. And drops of vanilla syrup. Oh, sorry, condensed milk. I forget condensed milk. I will use also homemade condensed milk. So we have to put here. Mix here all. Now we have to put now all this desiccated coconut, all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Now we have to mix well. I will add 4 tablespoons of simonilla, but this is only my own version. This is simonilla. And pinch of yeast. So I have to mix this one. Ito na mix ko ng mabuti. So next ay ilagay ko na dito sa tray. Pasensya na kayo dito sa aking tray kasi sobrang tagal na ito. Siguro mga 28 years na ito kasi 29 years na ako ngayong February 6. Ngayon February 1. Kasi dumating ako dito February 6, 1996. So 29 years na ito. Binili pa ito ni Lakay noon dito sa Rawlacot City, kaya lang hindi na ako makahanap ng ganito, kaya siguro kailangan ko mag-order sa online, pero walang problema. Ito nga nabutas na kaya lagyan ko ito ng flour para hindi mabutas. So lagyan ko ito ng oil. Yan. Nilagyan ko na ito ng oil para hindi didikit. So, lagyan ko na dito pa isa-isa. I-leave ko muna ito ng 30 minutes. Tama-tama yung aking prinipara. Oh. Yan, 12 pieces. Mamaya ko na ito i-bake sa aking unique oven na may buhangin sa kasirola. Sand is already preheated. So I will put now the 3 of coconut macarons. Now let's check after 25 minutes. Oh, wow. Mashallah. Ayan, umalsa ng husto. But still not cooked. Now let's check again. So I think it's burning. So I have to cover this one. I will cover this one. I will use this one. And then, so I already put cover here. Now we have to put here in center. I put cover so that avoid burning this coconut macaron. Let's check again for the third time. I'm sure it's already cooked because almost 30 minutes, 45 minutes now. You see. So I will remove now this one and I will put over there. Because I will cook now also our bayan for dinner because time now here in Pakistan is 3:30 p.m. It's time to cook our bayan for dinner. Kain tayo, night snack tayo ng binake kong coconut macarons. Ayan, gumawa ako ng coffee kasi malamig kaninang umaga. Snow, mild snow. Kaya super lamig sa labas. Tapos kanina, mga umaga, ulan-ulan lang. So, kain tayo ng binake kong coconut macarons. Meron pang 5 na natira kasi si Lakay, gumawa ako ng tea. So, kinain niya yung, si Fatma din, si Fahad, si Langga. Kaya, ito na lang 5 natira. So, kakainin ko itong isa para kasi ang lamig at saka hindi pa ako inaantok kaya gumawa ako ng coffee. Ayan, kain tayo ng macarons. Bismillah wal barakatillah. Masarap. Siya nga pala ang secret nito ay nilagyan ko ng yes, 'di ba ang macarons walang yes. Bali ang nilagay ko lang doon na para rice yung mag-expand o kaya open air yung texture ay nilagyan ko ng pinch of yes. Kaya nakikita nyo naman siguro yung video ko na talaga umalsa ng husto. Kaya ito masarap talaga. At saka dinagdagan ko ng simonila. Pero version ko lang 'yon. Pero masarap din na may simonila pala.